Hello, everyone. Welcome to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving for competitive exams. In today's lecture, we will study coding and decoding and we'll discuss some previous year questions on it. In the last lectures, we looked at the types of questions that can be formed. We looked at the examples and we also did some exercise questions. So in coding and decoding, total 8 type of questions can be formed. Number 1 is letter or alphabet, then number, then mixed letter number, then substitution, then coding decoding based on symbols, then coding decoding based on pattern formation, then we studied coding decoding based on sentences, and then by letter inversion. So, in today's lecture, we will discuss the previous year questions. This is question number 1. So, in certain languages, behold is written as this, and indeed is written as this. So, how will course be written? So, I told you that whenever you see the alphabets similar in the original form and the coded form, you can assume that this is coding and decoding by pattern formation. So if I look at this, behold is coded as BDEHLO. So this is in increasing order of alphabet, right? Similarly, if this is coded as this, D after then E after then I after then N, so this is increasing order of alphabets. So for course, my code will be C, E, O, R, S, and U. So my answer will be option number 4. Then let us look at this question. In a certain code, fructus is coded as this, printer is coded as this, and we have to find the code for masculine. So if I put forward ranks, F is coded as 6, R is coded as 18, U is coded as 21, C is coded as 3, T is coded as 20, U is coded as 21, and S is coded as 19. So if I add all these letters together, 6 plus 18 plus 21 plus 3 plus 20 plus 21 and plus 19, the sum will be 108. This will be the sum. Let us take if this is true for sprinter as well. S is coded as 19, P is coded as 16, R is coded as 18, I is coded as 9, N is coded as 14, T is coded as 20, E is coded as 5, and for R it is again coded as 80. So if I do 19 plus 16 plus 18 plus 9 plus 14 plus 20 plus 5 plus 18, my answer will be 119. So to find the code for masculine, first we have to give them forward rank. M is coded as 13, A is coded as 1, S is coded as 19. So let us like 13 plus 1 plus 19. C is coded as 3, U is coded as 21, L is coded as 12, I is again coded as 9, N is coded as 14, and E is coded as 5. So I have to find the sum. This will be 20. If I look over here, this will be 16, 20 plus 16 plus, I've covered this. Over here, 33. Then similarly, 14 plus 14 that is 28. So if I add all these numbers together, my sum will be 97. So our answer will be option number 3, 97. Then, in a certain code, golf is coded as 44. Ball is coded as 31 and play is coded as, how will play be coded in that language? So for golf, G is coded as 7, O is coded as um, 15, L is coded as 12, and F is coded as 6. So if I do 7 plus 15 plus 12 plus 6, my answer will be 40. But here the code is 44. How many letters are there in golf? 4 letters. So if I add 4, then my answer will be 44. Let's check for ball. B is coded as 2, A is coded as 1, L is coded as 12. So here the sum will be how much? 27. So if sum is 27 and 4 letters are there, if I add 4 into this, the code will be 31. So the same thing will follow for play. P is coded as 16, L is coded as 12, A is coded as 1, and Y is coded as 25. So if I add all these, 5, then 6, 7, 8, okay. So I'll get 54. Then the number of letters are 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll add 4 more into this. And my answer will be 58. So 58 will be the code for this question, which is option number 2. Now let's just look at this question. Dentist is written as this, tooth is written as this. So how will healing be written? So from here I can say this is rank 4, this is rank 3. So we are moving one position backwards. E to D, 5 position, 4th position. N, which is 14th position to 13th position. T, which is 20th position to 19th position. I, 9, 8. Similarly, S is positioned at 19 and R is positioned at 18. And similarly, T is positioned at 20 and this is positioned at 19. So we are going one position backward. Let us check for tooth. Take any random number O to N we are going. So again, we are moving one position backward. So similarly, healing, we'll also go one position backward. So from H, we'll go G. From E, we'll go D. From A, we'll go back to Z. If you remember the concept of looping. If from A, I have to move one position forward, I'll move back to Z. L, K, I'll get H, then I'll get M, and for G again I'll get F. So my code will be G, D, Z, K, H, M, F, which is option number 4. So option number 4 is the correct answer to this question. Now, in a certain code language, education is written as this, professor is written as this, and we have to find the code for faculties. Now, let us see. Let me write it for education. EDUCATION is written as GFWCATKQP. So if I look over here, CAT is similar in both these words. So if I divide this into 3 parts, I can say the middle part remains the same. Over here, we are going plus 2, E, F, G, D, E, F again plus 2, and U, V, W again plus 2. Similarly, over here also, I, then J, then K. Over here also, N, M, N, O, P. So here also we are going plus 2 positions. So I can say that the middle term, the 3 middle letters remains the same, and the first 3 letters and the last 3 letters move 2 positions forward. Let us check if that is true for professor. The middle 3 terms will be these, FES, right? And here also we have FES. That means the middle terms does not change. So from P, we are going to R, that means plus 2. So this also follows the same logic. So we'll follow the same logic to code faculties. So for the 3 terms, U, L, T will remain the same. F will move 2 positions forward. So H, A will move 2 positions forward and C will also move 2 positions forward. Then similarly for I, E, and for S as well. So our code will be HCEULTKGU, which is option number 2. So option number 2 will be the correct answer for this question. Okay. In a certain code language, streamer is coded as 81, cruise is coded as 75. How will submarine be coded? So streamer S is coded as how much? 19. T is coded as 20. E is coded as 5 plus 1 plus M is coded as 13 plus 5 plus R is coded as 18. So if I sum all of these, my answer will be 81. For cruise, 3 plus the position of R is 18 plus position of U is 21 plus position of I is 9, position of S is 19 and position of E is 5. So my answer will be 75. So let us check it for submarine. Position of S is 19 plus 21 plus position of B, which is 2, 13, 1, position of R, which is 18 plus 9 plus position of N, which is 14 plus position of E, which is 5. So let us add these. This will give me 40 plus 16 plus 18. This is 14. Okay. So I'll get 19 and then 9. So the summation of these letters will give me 102. Yes. So the summation of all these numbers will give me 102, which is option number 1. So option number 1 will be your correct answer. Now this question, gland is written as this, means is written as this, and we have to find how cysts is written in this code. Now, if we look at gland, it is written as G, Q, D, O, J. So if I look at this question, let me give them forward ranks. G is ranked at 7. L is ranked at 12. A is ranked at 1. N is ranked at 14. And D is ranked at 4. If I look over here, G is ranked at 7. Q is ranked at 17. D is ranked at 4. O is ranked at 15. And J is ranked at 10. So if I look at this question, if I write them side by side like this, okay, then I can see from 4, we are going to 7. We are moving like this. Okay. From N to Q, we are moving 3 positions. So here also got 3 positions forward. Here also we got 3 positions forward. Right? From here, I got 3 positions forward. From here also, I got 3 positions forward. And from here also, I got 3 positions forward for 10. So basically, we are adding 3 in reverse order. Let's check for M. We will add plus 3 to this to get this letter. M, then N, O, P. So plus 3 adds, right? From E, we go to H. So we add 3 over here as well. E, F, G, H. So 3 adds. Then from A to D, plus 3 over here also, and similarly here. So basically, first we have to add 3 into these positions and write them in reverse order. So from S, if I add 3, I'll get V, which will be my first term. T, if I add 3, I'll get W. Again, V. From Y, if I add 3, I'll get B. How? Loop X, Y, Z, A, B. So if I'm adding 3, 1, 2, 3, I'll get B. And from C, if I add 3, I'll get F. So my answer will be VWVBF, which is option number 4. So option number 4 is the correct answer for this question. Here you can see we are moving in this manner. From S, we are adding 3 here. From N, we are going here. So this is how we are following the pattern. Here I can see habit is coded as ITHAB, based is coded as this. How will games be coded? So these are similar letters. So maybe there's a pattern involved. Let us check. Habit is coded as ITHAB. So I can see if I give them ranks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fourth rank. This is the fifth rank. Then this is first, second, and third. So this is a pattern of 4, 5, 1, 3. Let us cross check with based. So based we know is coded as EDABS. So let us give them ranks, right? So the rank for E is 4, this is 5, this is 2, this is 1, and this is 3. So it follows the same pattern of 4, 5, 2, 1, 3, right? So let us do the same thing for games as well. So let me give rank for games. G is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to arrange them in this order 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So 4, 5, 1, 2, 3 will give me ESGAM, which is option number 2. So option number 2 will be your answer. Now, in a certain code, a back is written as this, Cabal is written as this. What will be the code for eagle? So let us find out. A back is coded as 5. 3 will be 3, 4, 3. Now I can see again from A, we are going to C with the plus 2. From B, we are going to D plus 2. From A to C plus 2. From C to E plus 2. And from K to M plus 2. So again, the same logic is being followed. For let's check for Cabal. C plus 2 will give me E. A plus 2 will give me C. B plus 2 will give me D, and so on. So similarly, we'll do for eager also. R plus 2 will give me T. E plus 2 will give me E, F, and then G. G will give me I. A will give me C, and E will give me G. So my code will be TGICG, which is option number 1. So option number 1 will be the correct answer. Here you can see we are moving like this. So the code is being applied in a reverse order. So instead of coding A with M like we usually do, we are coding A with C, B with D. So we are not following the usual pattern, but we are coding the first letter with the last letter. So in an reverse order. Okay. Let us look at this question. In this question, paint is coded as 80, drop is coded as 59, and we have to find the code for market. So for drop, if I put forward ranking, it will be coded as 4, plus R is coded as 18, O is coded as 15, and P is coded as 16. So the sum will be 53. If I get something like this, and even if I add the number of letters, that is 4, I'll still get 57. So maybe this concept is not of forward ranking. Let us put backward ranking in this particular question. So I'm writing all the backward ranks for your reference. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So in backward ranking, we'll start ranking them from Z. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and so on. So let us check for drop. Drop will be coded as 23 plus 9 plus 12 plus 11. This will be equal to 55. So if I add the number of letters into this, I'll get 59. For paint, it will be 11 plus 26 plus 18 plus 13 plus 7, which will give me 75. And the number of letters are 5. So if I add 5 into this, I'll get 80. So this also suffices. So I'm using basically two concepts over here. I'm using backward rank, plus I am using the concept of adding the number of letters. So let us do it for market. For market, we'll have 14 plus 26 plus 9 plus 16 plus 22 plus 7. This will give me how much? This will give me 94. And how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll add 6 and we'll get 100. So option number 100, that will be our answer. Now let us look at this question. A number has been denoted in each of the letters and we have to arrange these numbers to form a meaningful word. Okay. So the letters are E, Z, L, P, U and Z. So when I look at these letters, a word comes to my mind which is puzzle. Does it have all the alphabets? Yes, P, U, Z, Z, L and E. So puzzle can be the possible answers. Now P is coded as 4, U is coded as 5. Now Z have two codes over here. It is either coded as 2 or as 6. So in this position we can have both 2 or 6. For L it is coded 3 and for E we have coded 1. So if my possible codes could be 4, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1 or it could be 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 1. These both are possible. Either of the two is possible. So in options, we have only this code, that is 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 1. We have only this one. So this will be our answer. Option number 4 will be our answer. Here you can see that we have two possibilities in this question, and based on the options, we have found the answer. Question number 12. In a certain code language, anyway is written as this, battle is written as this, and how costly will be written in that language. So let us write for anyway first. I think this is pattern because I can see all the same letters. So if I break this from between, I can see that these letters are written in reverse order and similarly these letters are written in reverse order. Is it true for battle also? If I break it from between, it will be TAB and ELT. So costly will do the same thing. For costly, we'll break it in between. It will be SOC and YLT. So our answer will be option number 1, SOCYLT. Now, in a certain code language, castle is written as this, driver is written as this, and we have to find the code for female. So let us check for castle what logic is being followed. I, F, W, W, N, F. So let me put forward rankings. C will be 3, A will be 1, S will be how much? S will be 19, T will be 20, L will be 12, and E will be 5. Here I can see 6, N is coded as 14, W will be coded as 23, here also 23, F is coded as 6, and I is coded as how much? I is coded as 9. So here I can see there's an increase of plus 6. Here we are going plus 5. Here we are going plus 3. Here we are going plus 2 and here going plus 1. Similarly, let's check for driver. R to S will be plus 1. E to G will be plus 2. Similarly, we have to find the code for female. So if I put forward rankings, F will be 6, 5, M will be 13, 1, L will be 12, and E will be 5. So if I have to add 6, I have to find the 12th rank. Then if I add 5, I have to find the 10th rank. Then if I add 4, I'll have to find the 17th. Then 4th rank, then 10th rank, and then the 6th rank. So if I put the letters, 12th rank is of L, 10th rank is of J, 17th rank is of Q, 4th is of D, 10 we have, at 10 we have J, sorry, we have to go 2 positions forward. So we have to find the 14th rank. And at 14th we have N, and 6th position will be what? 6th position will be F. So our answer will be L, J, Q, D, and F, which is option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer. Now, winner is coded as this, rally is coded as this. So how will cartoon be coded? Now, easily from W to X we are moving, we are going plus 1, I, then J, then N, then O. So we are just going plus 1. Let's check for rally. R to S plus 1. Y to Z is also plus 1. So in each alphabet, we are moving one position forward. So let's do the same for cartoon. It will be D, B, S, U, P, P, and O. So D, B, S, U, P, P, O is option number 3. So option number 3 will be the correct answer. Now this is the last question for today. Let us look at it. Someone is coded as this, brinjal is coded as this. How will be November be written in that code? Now the code for S is how much? 19. The code for O is 15. The code for M is 13. This is forward rank. 5. For O we have 15. For N we have 14, and for E also we have 5. So I can see if I add 1 and 9 together, I'll get 10. And if I further add 1 plus 0, I'll get 1. So S is denoted by 1. If I add 1 plus 5, I'll get 6. So O is denoted as 6. Similarly, if I add 1 plus 3, I'll get 4. Then for E, it is a single letter. So same thing. For N, 1 plus 5 will again give me 6. So here. Then 14, 1 plus 4 will give me 5 and 5. So basically, we are adding the numbers until we get a single digit. Similarly, for brinjal, we can also check. And November will be coded in the same way. So for N, the code is 14. For O, the code is 15. For V, the code is 22. For E, the code is 5. For M, the code is 13. For B, the code is 2. For E, the code is 5. And for R, the code is 18. So if I put them into single digits, 1 plus 4 will give me 5, 1 plus 5 will give me 6, 2 plus 2 will give me 4, then I'll get 5, then 1 plus 3 will give me 4, 2, 5, and 1 plus 8 will give me 9. So our code will be 5, 6, 4, 5, 4, 2, 5, 9, which is option number 2. So option number 2 will be your correct answer. So this is it for today. Here you can check the solution. And this concludes our lecture for today. Thank you.